Introducing the COOLMAN Hybrid 4-step polishing pad. Your ultimate solution for fast, efficient, and high-quality polishing. Designed with advanced hybrid bond technology, this polishing pad combines the strength of metal bonds with the smooth finish of resin bonds. The result? A powerful performance that gets the job done in just 4 easy steps. Whether you're working on concrete, terrazzo, marble, or granite, this pad delivers a flawless finish with minimal effort. No need for complicated multi-step polishing. Our 4-step system saves time, reduces labor, and boosts productivity. Fast and efficient, achieve a professional-grade shine with fewer steps. Durable and long-lasting, built for extended use with consistent results. Versatile and reliable, perfect for flooring professionals, contractors, and stone fabricators. Upgrade your polishing game with the COOLMAN Hybrid 4-step polishing pad, where performance meets perfection. Get yours today.